I'm just gonna pin trade today. So like you guys know, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm here in Disney Spring. Honestly, I don't have a plan. I think I'm just gonna pin trade today. So yeah, let's see what the day brings ahead. Today wasn't a great day in Disney Springs. It was pin drop Tuesday, so obviously there was a lot of people in the pin store. There was no pin board, and the ones that were around, which was the stores, tourist, Cirque du Soleil, they were horrible. Anywho, so like you guys know, I recently came from Tokyo Disneyland, and it was incredible. Even though I wasn't there for December 2nd, that was basically considered my birthday trip. I've always wanted to go to Tokyo, Japan, and it was the craziest thing that I have ever done. Like, this was a 5-day trip that I said, you know what, I'm just gonna try to go standby. I don't want to spend a lot of money because flights over there were really expensive, especially the airline that I took. But a friend told me always go with the amount of money of what the flight coming back would cost you. It's just like when you're there, you're always so anxious that you're not gonna be able to get on that flight back. But thankfully I was able to come back for 85 bucks. So honestly, I can't complain. There was like 100 and something seats empty, so I was able to sit across like 4 seats. So basically I had a bed for myself. The only reason why I came back because honestly I could have stayed a little bit longer. At the time of my trip, the government was shutting down. I was scared of getting stranded over there. TSA was working without getting paid, and there was really long lines. There was no air traffic controllers, and a lot of flights were getting delayed or canceled. So I said, you know what, before this gets ugly, I'm gonna go back home. I went all the way from Tokyo to New York, and then I took a flight New York to San Juan, Puerto Rico. It was an amazing trip. Honestly, I would do it again. Going to a country which you don't even speak the language of, it's really scary sometimes to take those, leaps and go do these crazy adventures. I was so grateful that the people are so kind, so generous, very helpful. Like, they will try to like Google Translate and help you out some way or another. They will not leave you, kind of like lost. They will figure it out with you. It was so nice. Today wasn't a great successful day, honestly, in Disney Springs, but if you like this video, please make sure that you guys like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.